As part of ongoing efforts to provide critical infrastructure in Abuja, the nation's capital, the Minister of the FCT, Nyesom, Wike, this Friday unveiled plans to construct a state-of-the-art secretariat complex for the FCT administration. Flagging of the arterial road from Life Camp Junction to Ring Road 3 in Abuja, Wike harps on the need for a timely delivery of the project. He urged the contractor to complete the project within 40 months, 4 months ahead of the scheduled 18 months duration. He expressed optimism that a timely completion of the project will give residents of the area a new lease of life, in line with the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu's renewed hope agenda.
Thank God, Mr. President, is infinite wisdom to make sure that work continues in the FCT. He gave us a latitude by increasing our threshold. Today, you see, contracts of schools are going on, contracts of building more police stations to save our people are going on. Is because of the approval given to us by Mr. President. So I want all of you in prayer, continue to pray for Mr. President, so that at the end of the day, the hope, the lost hope of our people will be gotten back. That's why he said they need hope agenda. His government is to bring back the hope that people have lost. I'm sure people who are living here never believed that this road can be done again. The president said no. There's nothing that cannot be done. We are here to bring back your hope. We are here for you to have confidence in government. And that's why you see every day we are flagged on one project or the other.
Wike expressed worry over the procurement law, which according to him is hindering timely execution of projects in the country. He wants the lawmakers to reconsider the law to change the narrative of delay occasioned by the various processes involved.
When I know the law permits 15 to 30% of mobilization fee, I do know that there will be a problem. And that problem will be by the time the 15% to 30% is paid, and another milestone, another certificate is being submitted, we may not have the money to pay. And then obviously be an expensive company. 10 members of National Assembly, part of our predicament, part of our major headache is the procurement law. The procurement law, yes, is to protect and make sure our money is safe. But again, if you look at the overall advantage, it drags us backward. That is why in most cases, you do procurement for almost 4 months before it is approved, before it goes to the Federal Council, and before you know it, 6 months it's over. It's up. 6 months of procurement alone is half of the year.
The president of the Senate, Senator Godswill Akpabio, represented, commended the minister for the initiative. He said the importance of good road network to the socio-economic development of any nation cannot be underplayed.
The importance of road network to socio-economic development of any nation need not to be overemphasized. Good roads are critical to and hinder movement of goods and persons in promoting socio-economic development in any community. Abuja, being the federal capital of our great nation, deserves a better and befitting road network. The occasion witnessed today, the flag of the development of arterial road from Life Camp to Ring Road 3 has been possible because of ingenuity of the Honorable Minister by improving the revenue base of the FCT.
The minister assured residents of Abuja that the FCT under his administration will not relent in delivering meaningful projects and infrastructure to key into the federal government's dream of repositioning the nation's capital. Jude Aweke reporting for VOS TV News, Benin.